Hey, Catblade. Are you ready to complete the missions? Hello, Enter the Cat. I know you hear me. Well, you clearing on speaking me off, but
after his wife left, Sutton continues to take pictures.
But I thought you speak more.
All of the pictures and videos he took on
But I thought you speak
Stop Asian Hate.
Normally, but I guess not.
Outraged by what happened.
Enter the Cat. What was all about?
Support of Sutton and his family. The post gets so big that it even attracts the attention of the news.
I tried to get Catblade one of my Enter the stories, but she obviously wasn't interested.
And then the next day, Sutton and are in for a big surprise.
Our sister is hard to speak. Tell me about it. Earlier today, I tried to get her my precious, beautiful drink, but she didn't even care enough to honor her second word. I feel so bad. 2 years later. Hey, Intra, how many people have you killed? None.
You seriously haven't killed anyone else, like, ever?
No, have you?
Yeah, I have, but it felt extremely disturbing.